Hi everybody, and welcome to Tech is here! Now let's talk about virtualization. Virtualization has been an increasingly important topic in the world of technology, and it's important to understand its basics. So, what's virtualization exactly? Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual version of a device or resource, such as a virtual computer system that runs on top of existing physical hardware. This allows multiple virtual systems to operate on the same physical device, maximizing the use of resources and improving efficiency. In addition, virtualization provides improved disaster recovery options.
What a disaster!
Virtual systems can be easily backed up and restored, ensuring that critical business operations can continue even in the event of a failure. You want it? You got it! Here are a few examples of how virtualization is used in various industries. Information technology. Virtualization allows IT departments to create virtual servers, desktops, and storage devices, making it easier to manage and maintain their technology infrastructure. This can save time and resources while increasing efficiency. Healthcare. Virtualization can be used in healthcare to create virtual desktops and servers, allowing medical professionals to access patient information and medical records securely from anywhere with an internet connection. It also provides a more robust way to manage IT infrastructure in healthcare. Education. Virtualization can be used to create virtual labs and virtual desktops, allowing students to access software and resources from anywhere without the need for physical equipment. This can make education more accessible and cost-effective. Manufacturing. Virtualization can be used to simulate manufacturing processes, allowing for testing and optimization before implementing them in the real
Are you
world.
serious right now, bro?
This can help reduce errors, save time and resources, and improve productivity. These are just a few examples of how virtualization is used in different industries. Do you have any examples of your own? If you do, share them down below. Virtualization has become a critical part of many. So whether you're in the corporate world or not, it's important to understand the basics of virtualization. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more technology insights. Because tech is here, and it is here to stay. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.